it is time to set up my Laurel Denise Kristy planner for week 32, which is the first full week in August. And I do have Planner Kate stickers. I did use them for the monthly, so I do have these that I could use this week. These were new to me. I have never used these. And then I have a bunch of other kind of stickers. Oops, what is this one? Oh, small washies. I guess those are the weekly ones, and then some bigger washies, which are really fun. And what I did for the August monthly is I added some kind of large flowers in and among the sort of the month, like down here and in the middle. So I got out that same sticker book, and I thought for this week, maybe I would use some of the same ones if I have any of them left over. But there's a bunch of really pretty like florals in here, and I thought, you know what? Like this, we could use some of these as washi. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm excited. I'm still in this like flower plant thing with Planner Kate, which I really, really like. And I did not get flowers for September. I do know that. So that is going to be a totally different look. But for now, kind of the last big month of summer, this is going to be really pretty and floral and kind of pastel-y. So I'm going to lean into that this week. So let's turn this around. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you. I found these. Can you see these? These are friction erasable pens in the 0.5, which is what I like, in these really pretty colors. I don't know if you can see these colors right down there. I'm gonna try to like hold this right there. But I thought these would be so much fun. I'm probably gonna have to use them for like, test them out or put them on a piece of paper to get them working. But they've got really pretty, like a blue and a teal and like this orangey color and yellowy color. I thought these would be so great for August. So I'm gonna open these up too and get to planning. Here is, well, this is the last week of July. And then this is the spread that I did with Planner Kate for my whole big August. Use some fun washi tape. We're gonna be away this week. And then we've got week 32 right here. Pulled out this yellow pen because these are Laurel Denise pens and they're really great. I use them all the time. They are slanted. They are, so I always have to make sure when I'm doing my line, but they're like kind of like highlighters, slanted like that. But I thought the yellow would be really pretty with this. So I was trying to show you earlier the different washies I want to use, and I have to think about these. These are kind of fun. I just got one of these randomly, but I could use these in this column up here. And then I have these as well. I may hold on to these for something else, so maybe I won't use these this time. And then use these smaller washi. I love these appointment items. And then I have way more on this because this is the monthly sampler. So there's lots of little things in here I can use as well. So lots of appointment blocks. And I do like these washies. They're sort of great. So we also have these thin ones I could use. Oh, I love these green hatches. And yeah, these little blocks. So lots of things to do. So let's get started. Let's set up this week and see how this unfolds.
Definitely not how I saw this going. I thought this was going to go more bright, sort of colorful flowers. And then I found this page of stickers and I thought, you know what? This kind of goes with the pink. Where else am I going to use it? It's almost like a coloring page, right? I could color these in. I could come in here and color these leaves in and these flowers next week. I don't know how it'll work. I could maybe use my new gel pens, but I feel like I could just come in with some of these pens that I have. Hold on, I'm just trying to grab them. Like these are all like Laurel Denise colors, and I could just come in like this goes. I could add a little green, a little yellow. I think there's a blue in here too. Hold on, let me see what I've got. And then kind of fun, right? So I don't know, maybe I'll color these in during the week. And then I just added these to bring in that to sort of be that sort of gold yellow to bring a little bit of punch to it since I did the yellow line there. So I just, and then I knew I needed something down here. I can do little lists in here or here, right around here. And I could make little trackers here, 4 little trackers maybe in here, or add tracker stickers in here. So many things. I did not use any of my appointments, but I could use, I've got some gold in here. I've got these also I could use as the days go along. I may have to put them over something, but that's okay. Like I could put it here or in here. So there's definitely other things that I could use to pop these colors. So that is week 32, and I'm kind of excited about it because it's totally different than anything I've ever done. And these, like, what am I going to put in here? Like little appointment reminders. I do have some things, like I have something on Thursday and something on Monday, so I'll just pop those in there. And, ooh, I forgot to do the weather. I got to add the weather in here. So I'll do that. And then I have this. I know I have that. I know I have this. So I'll add the weather after I'm done here, and that'll be a really good start for the week. I just added it real quickly, putting that along here. We have a lot of rain in the forecast, but it is August, and that is very normal for Florida.
Definitely, like I said, not what I expected, but really pretty. And if I decide to color the flowers, that could be really cool too. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not, but I would worry about it bleeding, but I can always just color it and then put like a piece of paper over it just in case. I don't think it'll bleed all the way through necessarily the sticker itself, but bleeding, not within the lines is what I kind of mean. So there is that. I'm really, really happy with how that turned out. I am gonna get these out and use them this week, so see how that works. These new friction erasable gel pens, I will link those for you. And then I thought I'd bring this up because I thought this was kind of interesting. I use a moleskin journal, this is called a classic collection, like ruled notebook, and I have this one ready to go when my old one, my current one that I'm using, I just take notes every day for work, and I have this one. I just finished it on Friday, the last page, which is crazy because it's the end of July. And I looked at the dates because I put the date in it. I started it last September. So it took me a long time, almost a year, to use that whole notebook. But I am going to start this for August, and I do have these Cocoa Daisy stickers that are for planners, and I thought, for each, as I go to each month, maybe I could just use these. I don't know if I'm going to continue with the subscription because I've only used them, I think, for June. So this is my 3rd month and I haven't even opened it, and it is August, but I could use this now. So I was thinking maybe I could put this in here. I don't really need a lot of them because clearly it's taken me a year to get through a whole notebook, but it's sort of an idea that I'm thinking about. Maybe I'll just use them in here and just decorate my days as I go along. And unfortunately, it's not something that I would keep. I would throw it. I'm probably gonna keep this blue notebook maybe for a few months and then I'll toss it. I don't usually go back and look at things because I have a lot of emails back and forth with colleagues and I don't usually need to go back here. This is just sort of like a to-do list. I know, you're like, that's where you keep your to-do list, because you're wondering why I don't have lots of to-do lists in my Kristy. Well, I have this. So I know kind of where I'm going with this. And it's just a notebook, like I said, that I have meetings, I write things in there, I check off things, I cross things out. So I could use them in here, but I'm kind of torn on whether or not I should keep this subscription, because I need to cancel it now if I'm not going to use it so someone else can pick it up. So I may do that and not do it anymore, because I'm just not using them. They're so pretty, they're so great, but I'm not using them. So there's that. So if you have a thought about that, let me know. Do I keep the Cocoa Daisy subscription? Do I stop it? It just feels like I'm not using it, so maybe it's a waste and someone else may enjoy it more. So I should let go of that. But could be kind of fun to, but I have so many other stickers I could throw in here too. So yes, I probably made the decision right now. That was probably my decision to end that subscription. But if you stuck with me this long, thank you so much. I have so many planner videos, so if you're interested in the Kristy and you're wondering what to do with it, you can binge watch and see how I do it. It's pretty similar every week, week to week. I just change it up. I've been really trying to use my Happy Planner stickers because I have them, do more decorating in the columns, and every week is a little bit different because of the colors, and the format is kind of dictated obviously by the shape of the planner, but also since I've been getting the Planner Kate stickers, you know, the structure's there. And then I kind of go off the colors that I picked for the month. So it's kind of fun. I'm excited for September because it's going to be really different than what I'm using now. It's just color-wise, it's just going to be different. But that's that. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have not hit the like and subscribe, don't forget you'll get notified when the next video goes up, which will be week 33. So I'll see you then.